Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Framify product component and connect with Frameship plugin. So this is going to be quite simple, don't worry about that. So first of all, you have to come to this website. This is frameship.io, and if you come here to the resources and click tutorial, it will take you to this page. So if you click product, and now you will find a link here how to connect Shopify to Framer with Frameship. Just click here and it will open a page for us. As you can see, now you can follow this tutorial to connect Frameship with Framer. So you can watch the video. This is the complete tutorial and easy tutorial. Make sure you watch that. So before adding components to our website, so you have to follow this step. Okay. So if I come here to our CMS collection, so you'll find Frameship collection. So this is our product collection, which are completely integrated with Shopify. So if you come here, as you can see, I cannot edit anything from here. So what you have to do, you have to make changes in the Shopify. Okay. And once you do that, you just have to simply click sync here. So let's suppose you want to add more products. So simply you have to go to your Shopify account and add there. And once you click here, it will automatically sync everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to and also you have to create the CMS page. If you come here, I already created them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this, okay, for now. And I'm going to open a plugin, Framify plugin. I'm going to type. This is not visible yet, but after this tutorial, it will be visible here, okay? The category will be visible here. So I'm just going to type product. So you can use the product detail and the product index, whichever you like. So for now, I'm going to add, so let's suppose I want to add this one, okay? Product index V3. I will just click to insert. As you can see, we cannot see anything here. So what do you have to do? Come to the layer, and if you click here, we'll find the card V7 is working properly fine. So what do you have to do? Go to the collection list, and if you come here, source, you have to change it to the Frameship. So now, as you can see, now we are going to connect every single variable with the Frameship components. Okay, I'm gonna just delete everything here. So I'm going to just set the variable to image 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can add multiple images here, more than 4 images, it's up to you. So we don't need, I think, more images here because, yeah, we can add because this is a slider and we have the add to cart option here. We have the add to wish list here. Okay. In the same way, if I come here, the garments, set variables to category display option. Okay. So now you can see that the category has been changed. So as I told you before, you have to make changes in the Shopify. So, and you have to click sync in the CMS collection. It will automatically sync all of the changes. Okay. So now I'm going to select the title, set variable to title. As you can see, everything has been changed. Okay. The slug, I'm going to set variable to slug. Okay. And you have to select this slug from here. Okay. And now at the card data, because our customer will be adding add to cart, these products. So for that, we have to connect the cart button as well. So I didn't add the cart option here because if I click here, nothing will happen. Okay. But this is not working in backend. Okay. So for that, you have to come here. You will find a bunch of tutorial here. Okay. Shopify card with Framer. So you can check this out. I would highly recommend checking out this page. Okay. So now what I have to do is set variable to Shopify data. Okay. Now it will be working fine, but we didn't add anything here. We don't have any checkout process. We don't have anything here, okay? Also, if I click here, it will take us to the product page, okay? So if I come here, go back and come here again, if I click to this link, as you can see, the product has been changed. So I've already set up so now I will tell you how you can do that. So our index page is working fine. So for the filter, I would highly recommend using them manually because Frameshift does not allow us to do that for now. So if I click here, so you have to create links for all of them, okay? So for all small, medium, large, and extra large, like you have to create a page for brand as well, okay? You have to create for the pricing as well, sort by new, okay? So this is the option that we just gave it to you. So in future, if you have a Frameshift allow us to do that, so you can easily do that. So if you want to learn more about filtering, so you can follow our previous tutorial in which I discuss the filters option in detail, okay? So now we are going to create the index page, the detail page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this page, index page. I'm going to make it invisible, everything. Okay. So if you come here to our plugin, and type product detail, we'll find a bunch of components here. So you can also use them. So for now, I'm going to use this one. Click to insert. Okay. So you have to connect the images first. So if you don't have any idea about the CMS, so make sure you watch our previous video in which I showed you in detail how you can use Framify CMS components. So you can have more than 4 images, okay? So this is all the Shopify data which we are connecting through Frameshift, okay? You can also create breadcrumbs here. You can set the title, the product page link. You can add the product page link here. So now I'm going to set variable to title. So we can add the rating here manually, or you can add the field in Shopify and connect with this. So now I'm going to also set to Shopify data. Okay. So 10 is in stocks, inventory label. You have to do that. Also connect with Shopify data. So you have to do the same thing for the description as well. So now for the sizes, you have to just click here, set variable to Shopify data. Okay. So we have the variant option. So we have to connect with that as well. Variant option. Also, we are going to connect them to Shopify data here. So we are using the Frameshift components. So that's why we are just connecting them easily, okay? So for the add to cart button, I'm going to do the same thing, Shopify data, okay? So we have the buy now button. It will take us to the checkout page, Shopify checkout page, okay? You can add the estimated delivery, return policy. So you can also change this component. So this is not connected with the CMS. If I come here, Shopify shop detail tabs, okay? So you can customize this component. We can change the reviews or whatever you want. We can add the support form here. I've already created this for you. So we are done with the product index, product detail page. So if I come here, okay, I can easily change the size. I can add this button to add this product to the cart, to my cart, okay? So it is working perfectly fine. So if I come here and click this link, as you can see, everything is working fine. So I hope you like this tutorial. And if you have any question about this, make sure you contact us at contact@framify.design. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.